I'm Helen Fellers. I'm known as the Reading Rooster. I have books to crow about and books to recommend. It's almost the 4th of July, and one of the best little books is The Star-Spangled Crafts by Kathy Ross. It's a Millbrook publication. It's an oldie but a good book, and it has lots of crafts that you could prepare decorations for a pig pull, a barbecue, a cookout, or just plain lunch in the house. It's so much fun. And can you believe 50 years of Swimmy? Leon Leone's book, Random House publication, beautiful illustrations, a classic. This would be a great gift to give anyone. And why not see the USA Save Gas Go by Book? Here is A is for America. These are alphabet books about every state in the Union, beautifully illustrated and packed full of all sorts of information. This would be a great book to take on a trip or stay home and just stay in the hammock and travel that way. Remember, reading's cool.